glad I prepared for rain. There's a castle and there is a cathedral. So there's the castle, but so we don't really know where we're going because we don't know where we are anymore. All right, so now we're really lost. We don't really know where we're going. Who knows where we are? It's raining again. We're not exactly sure how far into the Bellver Castle is. I don't really think that this trail is meant for walking. I'm kind of sad we didn't get to go inside. We're not that lost. Right, Ariel? What? Are we lost?
Yeah.
All right, good morning, everyone. If you don't know who we are, I am Christy. And this is Ariel, my daughter. And we are on a 16-night cruise that started in Barcelona, Spain, and is going to end in Puerto Rico. So for our first day, we overslept. It's been crazy travel days. The jet lag really caught up to us. And now it's almost 1 p.m. There's probably not going to be any more tours. We're hoping that when we leave, there's maybe taxis or a nice port or something. We don't know. And we're gonna see what we find. So join us on our journey through Spain. All right, so we were headed off the ship and we realized it's raining. So we have our umbrellas and now we're really going. So I'm glad that we brought Ariel's big jacket and I'm glad that we brought 2 umbrellas. Ariel. I'm glad I prepared for rain. Looks like the Norwegian Star is also docked here, although they got better parking than us because we parked in the rain and had to walk. I can hear my mind scream, retreat. All right, so it stopped raining for the moment. Some days I'm growing towards the light. Some days I listen to the lights. We're right next to the pier area. I don't always feel like trying to. There's a castle and there is a cathedral, and we're gonna try and see if we can get there. They're about 20 minutes, 30 minutes walk. 'Cause when I fight, I know that I can't lose. In the face of truth, I'm stronger than you. So we're not really getting ourselves lost. We're basically just walking along the marina. We haven't veered off of the marina yet. And it just kind of curves around. And supposedly we'll end up at the cathedral, so we'll see. It stopped raining for a second and the sun came out, so we are looking for the cathedral, and I think I see it in the background, and it is huge and it is gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I don't know if you can see it. It's like right there, right there. It's huge. Though my body shakes. So to walk over here to the cathedral from the ship, it took us about 45 minutes. We were walking pretty slow and it was raining. So maybe half hour, 40 minutes. Well, not too bad. And it's pounding, but I take a step, at least I can stand again. All right, we got a little lost. I think the cathedral is somewhere over here. Well, these aren't gonna be glamour shots because it is raining and wet. Some days I'm going towards the light. Some days I listen to the light. So we don't really know where we're going. We're mostly just walking around what looks like the outside. I don't know if there's an inside maybe. Fight, I know that I can't lose. So we found, I guess, the main entrance, and it is gorgeous. This building is so pretty. You really have to see this in person. Wow. Do you like it, Ariel? It is huge. I think I want a nose ring, maybe gold hoops So we made it to the cathedral and it is so gorgeous.
Striped suit. I think I want a boyfriend, maybe just a dog. That ooh, I love your feeling for when I get bored. I wanna be indie, like I don't need a label. Ask me on a date though, I'll be at the table. Baby, there's more than one side to me, like literally. I'm a little salty, little sweet, like literally.
Well, look what we found. Ariel got some gelato. It's raining and it's cold, but it's always a good time for ice cream. It's like we found like a little shopping area or a square. It's really cute. There's gelato everywhere.
I think I want a tattoo, maybe new hair, a bring it on attitude, money to spare. I wanna be holy, still a little.
How's the ice cream going? It's so pretty.
Princess, I think I wanna travel, or maybe just sleep. A really dope house and shiny white teeth.
So we found this little area. Isn't it so cute? And we're just walking around, getting lost because we don't know where we are anymore.
Baby, there's more than one side to me, like literally.
All right, so now we're really lost. It looks like we've entered more of the shopping area, but I'm really confused on where we are. I need to look at the map. The map! The map! We can't be that far from the cathedral. I'm trying to figure out how to get back to the port. And look, there's a sign. We've got to walk, so we are headed back to the ship. We don't really know where we're going. Just following Google Maps here. Now it says proceed to the route. So we climbed up this, I don't know, these stairs, and we found this walkway with this amazing viewpoint.
I lay in the sun looking at everything that has happened.
Look at how pretty it is. All right, let's keep going. We're trying to see if we can walk to the castle. That's what I'm trying to see. It says that the ship doesn't leave until 7 p.m. I thought it left at 5. It's only 2, so we still have quite a bit of time. Who knows where we are or where we're going, but it is beautiful. And it stopped raining, so yay! Turn left. I don't even see street signs. I don't think there's like a route over here. Maybe there is. I just pulled up some driving directions, or yeah, some driving directions, and I'm just following that. It says it'll take about 4 minutes to get there driving, so maybe 10 minutes walking. Oh yeah, look at this. This is gorgeous. Noticing that there's little signs on the wall for directions. It's raining again. So we found the entrance to, I guess, I don't know if it's the park where the castle is. We're not exactly sure how far into the park the castle is, and it's mostly uphill. All right, so we're still walking along the trail, and can you see our map? It's a little bit of a glare, but see, we're almost there. It's our first glimpses of the castle. We finally made it up to the castle. Well, sad news. We walked all the way up here and we can't get in. So they don't take the credit card that I have. We couldn't get money out of the ATM, so we don't have any euros. Of course, they don't take American dollars, so we can't get in.
Like the kid down the block that's running home. Like an open highway, I could go on for days, but I've got no clue where I'm headed, and I'm tired of running away. Take me home to where you were, 'cause I can't hold you from this far. Take me home to where you were, 'cause I've been gone for far too long.
When we were walking to the cathedral, we looked it up, and it said that it took 400 years to build, from 1229 to 1601. And then we came over here to the castle, and I read that it said it took from 1300 to 1311. So the cathedral took longer to build than the castle, and they're both in a Gothic style.
We are headed back down this hill, considering that we had no access to euros, no tour, no plan. We had a good day, and it rained. We saw the castle and we saw the cathedral, and I think those are the two main things that people come to see. Oh, look, it's a rainbow. Whoa. Look, I don't know if you can see that. Look, there's a rainbow. Just spent like 10 minutes looking at the maps trying to figure out how to get back to the port, and look, there's a sign and it clearly says port. We found a rainbow. Can you see it? Oh, it's right there. So I asked Ariel to hold my umbrella. So she's holding both umbrellas. So we found this beautiful tree. Look at it. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Do you see the roots?
It actually looks like a painting.
Ariel, did you have a fun day? Yeah, we had fun. We're usually not off the ship this late at night, so it's kind of cool to see the ship lit up at night.
Would you take me home? I'm far from home.